voices telling me I'm wrong. Every step feels heavy now, but I'm still breathing, still around. They try to name me, try to shape me, try to make me disappear. Every word became a weapon, every silence fed the fear. But inside the chaos, there's a rhythm in my chest. I don't need the answers, I don't need a rest. I rise from the noise, I rise from the pain, from the echoes of doubt running through my veins. I rise from the noise, still standing tall. You try to break me, I didn't fall. Шум слів і зламаних доріг. Я шукав себе між чужих думок. Мене ламали, я не впав. Я стояв, я дихав, я тривав. In the dark, I found my name. Не для них, для себе сам. Every scar became a sign. I'm still here, I'm still step, then I rise from the noise, no fear in my eyes. From the ashes of